Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I'd like to talk about the new Quadlock 360 mobile phone holder that I've purchased yesterday. I've had it fitted to my Can-Am Ryker 900. This is new on the market. It's basically a components based device made by Quadlock, which means you can accessorize it to your own needs rather than buying the factory parts from Quadlock themselves. So basically what's happened is we've been able to purchase the bottom bracket and then a stanchion that fits to the bracket, and then the top bit here is the wireless charging point for a mobile phone. Quite easy to fit your phone to it. You also receive a Quadlock phone case, and you just offer the phone case up to the Quadlock and twist it, and it sits on there like that. As you can see, when the mobile phone case is connected, it's very secure. That's not going anywhere, and that will now be charging if the mobile phone was obviously in the bracket. And to release it, you just pull on these and twist. It's a bit difficult trying to do it with one hand and a camera in your hand, but you just twist that and off it pops. Like I said, this is a wireless charging device. As you can see, there's a light here which tells you when it's charging. As soon as you turn the vehicle, it starts to charge. It's connected via USB, and on my particular vehicle that comes down here and then into here and connects straight to the USB port. From the rear, you can see the charging point there with the USB cable coming down. The bracket connected to the handlebars and the stanchion between the two, and that is really all that's needed, which makes it a lot of a cleaner install than previous versions. Am I happy with it? Yeah, I think I am. It does everything I need. I did have a standalone sat-nav on here, but with having a decent phone with sat-nav built in, I decided to go this route. And as you can see, it's a very tidy little unit. Very happy with the purchase. For transparency, Quadlock did not send me this. This is an honest review, and these are available at Quadlock's own website. I'll stick a link in the description below.